Dear all, in this video, I am going to show you how to do the line regulation characteristic, how to simulate the line regulation characteristics of Zener diode. So to start with, in our browser, I have typed virtual labs in which the basic electronic lab has been designed by IIT Kharagpur. Here it shows the basic electronics lab. When I click on it, it fetches to this page. And here you have list of experiments in which I am going to do Zener diode voltage regulator. Now I'm going to simulate it. So in Zener diode line regulation, I'm going to draw the circuit following the instructions given here. So L1, here you can see L1 should be connected to L3. The instructions are given just to follow it. L4 to L7, L8 to L15, L15 to L10, L11 to L17, then L16 to L18, L17 to L5, then L18 to L6, and then 13 to 15, 14 to 19, then 9 to 16, then 12 to 9. Now you go for checking of your connection. It shows right connection. Just press OK. Now I have to set the Zener voltage as 5.1. Here you can see the variation across the Zener. It shows 5.1. Next I'm going to set the series resistance as 100 ohms. Yeah, 1K. And my load resistance I'm going to set it as 2K. Yeah. Now I have set, and now I'm going to vary the DC voltage value. I am adding it to the table. Now I vary the DC value, add to the table, vary the DC value, add it to the table, follow the procedure, take a couple of values by varying the DC voltage. So here I have taken till 10 values. Then what I can do is I can plot the graph. So when I plot the graph, what I can do is I'll clear all the values. I will take it from the beginning and I'll show you, like Zener voltage, it should be 5.1. Since I took two zero value, it shows a nan and it is showing a linear variation. So I'm going to take it again. For series resistance, it should be 1K. For load resistance, it should be 2K, which I have set here. And DC voltage, I am going to vary the DC voltage and add it to my table. So vary and add to my table, vary, add to my table. So likewise you take a couple of values. Yeah, I have added. Now I'll plot. So this shows the perfect graph in which as your source voltage varies after a particular input voltage, your output voltage remains the same as your source voltage. Now with the help of this print icon, you can load, you can save your PDF, save your result as your PDF. And after saving this as PDF, just a moment. After saving this as PDF, now what we can do is again clear all the values, set your Zener voltage as 5.1. Yeah, 5.1. Yeah, 5.1. And your series resistance as usual 1K, and your load resistance I'm going to keep it as 5K. Yeah, it is 4500, 4.5K. Here I'm going to change. Yeah, and here I have changed as 5K. Now what I can do is, again I can vary the DC voltage and add it to the table. Add it to the table. And we can plot the graph. So sorry, again you can save. So this is all about the line regulation characteristics of your Zener diode.